Well, I guess I'm long-winded today. I'm in part three right now. Anyway, uh, I'm going to have a full shed over there, same size as this one, same shape and everything. Then there'll be a 4 foot space in between the two, which I will close off and turn into a bathroom. So the bathroom will be back on that side. Let me move around the back here real quick, squeeze between the trailer here. And over here is the kitchen window, of course. And then I'm going to have plumbing right about where that metal strip is that runs along the back wall, and it's going to be enclosed in a box. So all my plumbing is easily accessible. When I come over to this point, I'm going to set it up to where I'm ready to tie in a shower drain and a sink drain. So this wall right here is going to have some exterior piping on it. But what I'm going to do is put a facade on there, a little fake facade between the shower area and that. And then right up here on the wall will be my shower valve, or my shower head, and my shower valves right here. And the water heater's right on the other side of this wall. So I'll get instant hot water at my shower, and that saves water. You don't waste a lot trying to get it hot. Anyway, those are the plans. You can see my little solar light up there in my flag holder. We had a flag out. And then I got a light above the door. It's already got a 12-volt DC bulb in it. All I've got to do is get some solar power out here and some batteries. That's going to be coming up pretty soon. As you can see, I've got one part of the pole for my wind generator up. It's going to go up another 10 feet higher than that when I put the wind generator on. And I stuck one of those solar lights at the top of it. It's pretty cool at night when that lights up. And then there's my solar panel existing right there. And I was going to originally put the other one right here, but this is going to end up being a little tiny storage shed. I may even make it a pump house because the water's going to come right past it. And then I'm going to put another slab over there where my second set of arrays, solar arrays, will go. And the reason I did that was because I miscalculated slightly on the angle of the sun. And I thought the sun came up right down there over that mountain, where it actually comes up right over there over those towers. And that means that these would, in this position, would be in the shade for a few hours in the morning. I didn't want that. So I'm going to have a second one out here. And at this time of the year, when the sun is high in the sky, these will flip up to a flat position like this, because the sun passes straight over them, sort of on an angle here. But they'll catch the most sun that way. And then in the winter, when the sun is in the southern sky over there, then I'll tilt these back down into this position so that they catch the best sun that way. All right, that's about it. There was one other little tidbit of interest that I just wanted to share with you. I was having a discussion at one time with Andy about how high we are on this property above the 395 State Route 395 down there where the trucks are running. So what I did was I took out my transit, my site level, and I set it right here in this position, right here in front of the container. And I set it for level, and I took a shot down to that tower right down there. And believe it or not, you see where the hip is almost on the top third of the tower up there. That's how high this level was right here. Now, of course, my site level was 5 foot above it, so we dropped down, which is halfway between that hip and the next horizontal brace on that tower. So I went down there and we looked at it with Andy and I. And then yesterday when I went to town to get some things from Home Depot, I got out and I have a laser rangefinder. And I got right underneath the unit and I took a shot up to that horizontal brace. And believe it or not, that's 20 yards. So that's 60 feet. Right where I'm standing is 60 feet higher than that roadway down there. just thought you'd like to hear know about that little interesting tidbit. Well, I got to get things locked up and get out of here. So, G Bear signing off.